What's going on, everybody? Just want to do a quick recap of today. Definitely just started off the week with over trading, and not how I wanted to start it off, but it's just what happened. And so let's just dive into it a little bit here. RSHN just been waiting for the bounce. Thought we would kind of get it today since it looked like it kind of came close to the breakout level, bounced off of it, held a penny. Didn't get it. We tried in the morning and then just got stuffed right away. And so I was watching it. Came down, tested the breakout level of 77, got the bounce. I took some shares in here when it looked like it was, because it was looking like it was making some higher lows. And it was consolidating. So I took some shares here, ended up having to cut it at like 8 cents, and then it was holding pretty well, so I took some more shares at 8.1, risking 7.7. We had this quick little washout to 7.5, stopped out. Then it reclaims right away and gets the bounce back up to 90, 91, 90, 93 even, and I would have been happy with that sell there. But not ideal, so it is what it is. I'd definitely be looking for that momentum shift tomorrow for that first green day, so it's been something I've been kind of waiting on. But yeah, some really stupid losses in there that are just pretty annoying. So this was my best trade of the day, and actually I really wanted to swing this, was my plan. I just liked the chart. It had a little recent run before, got a huge gap down, and it's just been consolidating really nicely. And as soon as it broke out of the triangle here on some volume, I saw it. I missed this here, a little perk, but then in here, I should have added more size, to be honest. And I bought on this dip here, and then it just kind of grinded sideways, and through that sideways action, I was watching RSHN and was trying to like get a dip buy on that, and wasn't really fully paying attention to this because I was just like, okay, this is a complete trend change on the daily and solid volume so far. I was trading good dollar volume in the morning. And the price action looked good. The intraday with the daily chart looked good, and I just figured this can run. This could at least have a day too, and we could like at least get up towards that 3 cent level. And so I took some shares in here on the dip. I could have easily added in this consolidation. I could have added into the high daybreak, and just decided not to because I was just busy looking at something else. So it really showed me I should really kind of just pay attention to my winners a little bit more. And the goal was to swing, since I did have a pretty decent position, at least a decent entry. And I felt like with a 18.5 cut, if it were to break that, trend would just kind of be over, and the play would just kind of be done at that point. And so I was in a really good spot, and so I sold at 21. I didn't even take like the whole move. I took my 10%. I decided to just take it because I didn't want to be greedy, and just decided to snag that. And was watching it here when it was bouncing. I watched this, and then I watched this, and just I don't know. I stopped watching it probably right after this, and consolidated above VWAP really nicely, and so I would definitely expect some continuation into tomorrow. I wouldn't mind actually swinging some shares here, but I just kind of stopped watching. It just wasn't my day. Just that stupid dip buy. I'm not very good at dip buying panics, and especially a sub penny one. I don't know. I'm just debating on cutting panic dip buys off or out, and really dialing back on the sub pennies. I mean, some of these run really nicely and make really good moves. So I guess I'm just trying to learn how to play them a little bit better, but we will see, because RSHN was a really nice breakout play. I mean, this was just absolutely gorgeous, multi-day breakout, and just took off. But it started as a sub. It was a sub penny. So when I was first watching it, that's the one thing I didn't like about it. So I mean, they can make really, really, really good plays. I need to learn to play them a little bit better. And then the last one I played was AVVH. It's just a breakout, multi-month breakout, and I'll just say multi-month, more like multi-week, a little over a month. Was just kind of watching it. I let first 5 minutes of market kind of go by and let things play out. And as soon as we started to kind of perk back above 9 here, I took some at 91, and I was risking 89 and stopped out here, and then we continued. I mean, not very good price action, but I mean, it gave me the move. So, and I was in like what, 640. Yeah, so like a half hour. At a half hour market time, I could have sold and just been happy with that little push. But it is what it is. I'm not really upset with this one. The price action wasn't very good. I could be a little bit more picky with my plays. So, but it did work out. It did work out. So, something I'll take note of. And like I said, I take screenshots of all of these and got them all on my laptop, all saved. So just gotta make sure to actually go through those and review them pretty soon. Might do that this weekend. Do a lot of reviewing. I took last week. I took this weekend off a little bit. Friday just got absolutely hammered. Absolutely needed it. Studied a lot Saturday. Studied a little bit Sunday. Just not as much as I kind of planned. Just kind of needed a little break with all the, waking up at 4 a.m. every morning, doing my workouts, stretching, prepping for the market, prepping for work, and getting home after 8 to 10 hour day, and going on a run, showering, making myself dinner, doing all the stock stuff I need to do. It's been a lot. And so this week I've actually decided I'm going to dial it up a little bit. I'm going to start waking up at 3, because I could use a little bit of extra time in the morning, and I need to keep grinding. I need to grind harder. So I'm gonna try 3 out for this week and see how much I like it. Probably not gonna like it, but whatever. We're gonna push through it. So that's just my 2 cents for the day. Nothing crazy. A little bit of over trading. Got to dial it back. I think I'm gonna cut out panic dip buys a little bit. Unless it's just one of those ones where it's just like, it's so clear and it's so beautiful, like it's worth taking a shot, even if it's smaller size. So there are the black swans of each pattern, but for most part, I'm gonna try to cut out sub pennies, and I'm gonna try to cut out panic dip buys, and really just focus on multi-day breakouts and like ENZC. Same with RSHN. There's so many tickers I can't remember. Just a momentum shift. Here's the original breakout over that multi-month, and we're pulling all the way back. So just looking for that momentum shift. First green day. I'm been decent at nailing it early in the morning, and getting my 10%, even though I sell too soon. So I'm trying to play those and get good at those as well. So it's the first green day momentum shift, bounce play, and then just like the multi-day breakout. So those are, I think, my top 2 that I'm gonna really try to stick to, and try to cut out the rest of the noise, get really good at those 2, and really see if I can't start getting some consistency. Finally, we'll see. Work in progress. But goddamn, it's taken me way longer than I've ever expected. So yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling. Hope my little 2 cents made sense. Hope you guys understand what I'm kind of talking about, and how I'm kind of looking at these plays. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm enjoying it, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.